Hi friends. This is Caesar from PS Tutelar. Sometime we need to deal an image with uneven skin. We will try to fix this uneven skin in Photoshop. And we will try to fix with easier steps. Let's get started. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. We will try with neural filter. Go to filter and click on neural filters. Enable skin smoothing. Move blur slider to right side and make value 100. Then move smoothness slider to right and make value 50. Choose current layer in output. Then hit OK. This filter has been applied on image. Press Alt and hold, then create mask. Pick soft round brush. Make sure foreground color is set to white. Remember, black conceals and white reveals. And we created inverted mask. Now we will reveal effects of neural filter. Adjust size of brush accordingly. Start painting on face skin. If you feel still skin is not getting smooth, you can reapply neural filter. Go to filter. But make sure your image thumbnail is selected, not mask. Then go to filter and at top you can see. Last time we apply neural filter. Shortcut key is Alt plus Control plus F to reapply filter. Or click on it. Same neural filter for skin smoothing will apply. And it will apply with same previous values. Now, select an active mask. Then start painting skin of image. Bright areas of skin will smooth. When you satisfy with smoothness, then press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer of image. Change blend mode from normal to darken. Start painting dark areas of image, like eyes, eyelash, or eyelids and eyebrows. Make sure foreground color is set to white. Keep painting to reveal dark areas of image. Remember one thing, when we applied neural filter, we increased blur amount to 100. That's reason image is little bit blur as well. We will deal with it later. Currently cancelling filter. To retouch this image more, create blank layer. Set foreground color to light red. Adjust brush size and give a stroke on cheek. Double click on this layer to open layer style window. In Blend If, choose bright slider for underlying layer. Press Alt and click on slider to apart it. Move apart slider all the way to left. Then click OK. It is for smooth transition. Create another blank layer. Zoom in as much as you can for paint on lips. Adjust brush size according to lips. Start painting lips with light red color. Change blend mode from normal to multiply for this layer. Double-click on this layer to open Layer Style window. In Blend Div, choose Bright Slider for underlying layer. Press Alt and click on Slider to apart it. Move apart slider to left but keep eye on lips. In this way we will add shine on lips. Press Alt and click on Dark Slider to apart it. Move Dark apart slider to right gradually. Until you satisfy with shine on lips, then press OK. This image is almost done but still need to deal with blur. Remember we applied blur in neural filter. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E. This adds flattened version of image to new layer, but leaves the layers intact too. Go to Filter, Sharpen, Shake Reduction. Shake Reduction filter can reduce blurriness in image. Look at amount in blur trace bounds. Make it half of the amount. In my case it was 67, so I reduce it to 35 pixels. Reduce smoothing amount to 0%. Reduce artifact suppression amount to 0%. Finally hit OK. Zoom in image and look before and after. There is sharpness on image, even skin pores are visible. Shake Reduction filter detect path of blur and sharpen image at those points. Select all layers and create group. So here is retouched image. So here is image before and then after. Again look at difference. I hope you like the way to smooth skin. Hit like and subscribe if you like it. Many thanks for watching.